So every day after a hops game, which we have on the average of about 5,000 people, we have all kinds of trash. We have the normal sunflower seeds, the peanut shells, they're all ground into the concrete. We have beer spills, pop spills, lemonade, grape juice, everything that you can imagine is spilled. Gum on the ground, stuck in there, candy, Jolly Ranchers. Then we come in and we pick everything up, and then we can't get it all by hand, so we have to rely on our Landa steam cleaner and pressure washers, and it does an excellent job because that hot water just breaks up that grease and grime from the concession stands, the dirt ground in from everybody's shoes and all the peanut shells. And without that, it's a lifesaver. Without that, we would be a lot longer process, and it just makes life much more enjoyable for us as a crew.